Another great feature on the LV5770 monitor is the external phase display, or the timing display as we call it. So let's just take a look at that. To access that, you come back over here to the right hand side to where the mode buttons are, and you select the status display as we did before. When the menu comes up down below, you select F3 for the SDI analysis. That brings you to another menu which gives you three choices here. We've looked at the other two. F2 happens to be the external phase display, which again is in effect a timing display. So let's select that. And that brings up a display as you see here. This display gives you a graphical representation of the relationship of the SDI signal coming in to the reference signal that's coming in, whether that be blackburst or tri-level sync. The graphical representation is showing you just how far off the vertical and horizontal timing happens to be. So we're showing it graphically, and at the same time in the upper left-hand corner, we're showing on the vertical side how many lines we happen to be off, and on the horizontal side, how far we're off in microseconds. So when you go to your device that you have and adjust the phase on it, you're going to see that the circles, or one of the circles, is actually going to move towards the center, in effect. And once it's moved towards the center, and you've got both circles on top so it appears as green, then you know that it's actually perfectly timed. So again, the timing display is very, very handy to be able to look at the SDI signal coming in, and also to look at your reference signal, whether it be blackburst or tri-level sync, to see if the timing happens to be correct or off in terms of looking at the vertical and horizontal side. By using our external phase or timing display, you can graphically see if the signal is off, and at the same time make any adjustments you need to until you see both circles come together and turn green in the center. Then you know it's perfectly timed.